Hello and welcome to today's maths work where you're going to be playing Who Wants to Be a Millionaire. Today's quiz is all based around your understanding of multiplying and dividing by 10, 100 and 1000. Before we start the quiz, it might be a good idea to get a piece of paper and a pen or a pencil or a whiteboard and a whiteboard pen just so you can rub your answers out if you need to, or to keep a note of how you're getting on in the quiz. There are 12 questions and I will split the video up into two parts. We'll do the first 6 questions on the first video and the final 6 questions on the second video. Question number 1. Start off with 9.72 multiplied by 100. I will reveal 4 answers. It's multiple choice and you have to pick either option A, B, C or D. So the 4 answers are on the screen. You need to make a decision about which direction you are going to move the digits in and by how many places you want to move each digit. At any point you can pause the video to do your working out. I will reveal the answer and then you will check to see if you've got the same answer as me. So 9.72 multiplied by 100. The answer is D, 972. So if you got 972, congratulations. Well done. You're off the mark with £500. Question number 2. Which of these is 35,321? So I'm going to reveal 4 options for you to pick from. I won't read them out though because I will be revealing the answer if I do that. So you need to pick the one which is 35,321. There are 4 options on the screen, 5 or 6 digit numbers. You need to pick 35,321. When you've got your option, jot it down. And we'll see if you've got the same one as me. If you need a little bit of thinking time, pause the video. And the answer is C. C is 35,321. It's a 5-digit number. There is another 5-digit number on the screen. Can you find that? And then can you read out the 2 6-digit numbers as well? Well done to anybody who got that correct. You have now got £1,000. Question number 3. 7,234 divided by 10. So this time you are dividing. You need to make a decision about which direction to move the digits in, to the left or to the right, and by how many places you're going to move those digits. There will be 4 options on screen again. You need to make a decision about which one it is. Is it A, B, C or D? 2 of those options have got decimal points in them. I wonder why they've got decimal points as well. Pause the video to do any working out. I will now reveal the answer. The answer to this next question is A, 723.4. Each digit moved how many places and in which direction did those digits move? Congratulations again to anyone who's got that right. You are now on £2,000 going into question number 4. Question 4, fairly simple one. 62 multiplied by 5. You just need a quick strategy to work that out. Are you going to do any jotting? Can you do it in your head? Have you got a really smart, quick method that you can use to work that out? There are 4 options on the board again. Some of you might partition 62 into 60 and 2 and calculate that way. Some of you may think about how you can use multiplying by 10 to help with that as well. Pause the video if you need to. The answer is D, 310. So if anyone got 310, well done. If you did multiply by 10, you would have got 620. But then you need to do something to the 620 to get down to 310, which was to divide by 2. If you partition 60 and 2 and multiplied them both by 5, well done. That's another way in which you can get that answer. £5,000 there for anyone who got that correct. Question number 5. Mr. Hussein wants to buy 10 pairs of trainers and each pair costs £19.99. How much will 10 pairs cost? So he doesn't just want one pair, he wants 10 pairs. So what have you got to do to £19.99 to work out how much 10 pairs will cost? Now, 4 options are on screen with very similar digits. So take your time with this one. If you need to jot anything down when you move the digits, do that. If you need to pause the video, pause it now. So I'm about to reveal the answer. The answer to this question is D, £199.90. So tell your partner, whether that's your mum or your dad or a sibling, which direction you moved those digits in and why and by how many places. Congratulations, that's £10,000. Question 6, which is the last question in this first part of the video. A teacher wants to buy 100 books for school and each book costs £4.99. How much will 100 books cost? So we don't want the cost of just one book or 10, we want 100 books. So again, you need to make a decision about which direction the digits will move in and by how many places. 4 options are on the screen. Can you work out why some of those options can't be the answer? That's a clever way of working out the answer as well. Pause the video if you need to. And the answer to the final question in this first part is £499. So well done to anyone who got £499. You've just made sure you've kept yourself in the game and you are now on £20,000. Join us for the second part of the video where we will do the next 6 questions.